this is how much money I earned for the month of March 2023. And therefore, welcome back on my YouTube channel where I talk about self-publishing with Amazon KDP and help you to earn money online. If you haven't done yet, feel free to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future new Amazon KDP videos. And before we start with the video, I want to know how much royalties you have made for the last month, March 2023. So post your results in the comments. As I mentioned in today's video, I want to show you exactly how many books I have sold for the last month, how much royalties I've made for the last month, and I want to show you how much my royalties were for my latest published high content book that I uploaded back in the middle of January 2023. And of course, I will show you how high my ad spend was so that we can calculate the profits for March 2023. So let us don't waste any more time and jump right into my Amazon KDP dashboard. As you can see, for the last month of March 2023, I was able to sell 840 units, and a very great thing, you can see it on the bar chart here, I sold at least 10 units every single day. So I have a consistent sales history for the last month. If we compare the 840 sold units with the last month, with February, you can see, of course, we have 3 days less and sold in February 751 units. So this is an increase of almost 12%. Now, the most important and interesting part of the video, how much royalties I have made with 840 sold units. As you can see, for the last month, I have earned 4,973 euros and 59 cents, or $5,393.17. This is my highest income so far in my KDP journey, and it is unbelievable when I remember where I came from. In the beginning of my KDP journey, I earned $50, $75, $100 a month, and now with consistent publishing and high quality books, I was able to earn over $5,000 in a single month. As I promised in the intro, I want to show you the royalties of my latest high content book. As you can see, it's the first book, and with this book, I have made in only 1 month with only one book, $3,203. So if you keep publishing high quality books in very good niches, imagine how high you can increase your profits and your royalties for every new published book. If we compare the royalties from March with the royalties from February, where I have earned $4,445.53, this is an increase of 18%. As you already know, those $5,393 are not pure profit because we have to subtract the ad spend for every single marketplace. At this moment, I run ads for 4 different marketplaces: for the German marketplace, the France marketplace, the Spanish marketplace, and the American marketplace. For the German marketplace, I had an ad spend of 1,603 euros and 55 cents. For Amazon.com, the ad spend was $209.63. For Amazon FR, so the France marketplace, the spend was 432 euros and 47 cents. And for the Spain marketplace, my ad spend was 71 euros and 23 cents. So this leaves me with a nice profit of 2,656 euros. And if we compare the royalties to the ad spend, I have a percentage ad spend of 53%. So 47% of my royalties are pure profit. So this was it. This was my income for the month of March 2023. As I mentioned, I'm very interested in your KDP journey. So post in the comments how much royalties you have made with your Amazon KDP business. And I hope that those income reports motivates you to keep publishing, keep building your Amazon KDP business. Always remember, I started at the same point like you self-publishers earned $50 per month or $75 per month. And with consistent publishing and good quality, you can see how much money you can potentially earn with Amazon KDP. So if you liked the video, put a thumbs up on it. If you haven't done yet, feel free to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And then there's nothing more about to say. I wish you a very great day and we will see you in the next video.